we'll see how to handle alert boxes. So we'll divide it to 4 parts. So we'll start with what is alert window. Then we'll see how to handle alert window using Selenium WebDriver. Then we'll see how to capture text of alert message, and then how to write the text which is coming inside alert box. So now if you want to check alert window, so let me show you some sample website. So this is KSRTC website, traveling website. So you can see this from to departure and return. So if you click on this without filling any details, so you are getting this alert window. Okay, so until you don't handle this alert window, you are not able to click anywhere on the main page. So you need to handle this. So until you don't handle, you cannot edit anything on parent window. And you can see we are getting one text also. So as a testing point of view, sometimes you need to verify this text is coming as per your requirement or not. So what we'll do, we'll see how to handle this. We'll click on OK only, and we'll capture this text as well. So I will be creating a sample program. So let's create a new package first. Let me create a new class, say demo alert. So now already we created a class, so we'll create a simple method, public void handle alert, and I'm using testng here. So I will put one annotation called @ and I will simply type test. So I will get testng annotation as well as JUnit. So I will take the testng one, and now we need to launch that particular website. So first we'll say WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. So this will simply load your browser. Then we'll call one method called get. So in the get we'll specify the URL. So I will specify this URL and maximize as well for better visibility. Now what I need to do, I need to click on this button without filling any detail. So what I will do, I will open Firebug, and I will take the XPath of this button. So I will say driver.find element by XPath dot click. So if you're not familiar with this, how to click, you can refer my previous video. Video name is Facebook demo. In that video I have got how to click, how to type, how to select value from drop downs. So what it will do, it will click on alert window. Sorry, it will click on the buttons, you will get alert window. Now to handle that window, you need to use alert interface. Alert is a separate interface available, so which has some predefined method to accept that and dismiss that. And before moving to alert, you should know the switch to command. Switch to command we can use with frames, we can use with alert, and we can use with window handling as well. So in this video I will be covering alert only. In the next video you will see how to switch to frame and how to switch to new window. Okay, so once you click on this, that alert window will come. So simply I need to switch to that window, so I will say driver.switch to. Okay, so select this. Now you need to select alert. Okay, so once you select alert, so now focus will come on this alert window. Okay, so until you don't say switch to, the control will be on the parent window, that is your this parent window. Now once you say switch to alert, you will get this alert window. So once you say alert, it will return you reference of alert. So say alt. So once you get this reference, now it's totally up to you what exactly you need to do. So in our case, first we'll accept this. It means we need to click on this. So what I will do, I will say alt dot accept. So simply it will click on that OK button. Yes, and it will work very fast. So what I will do, I will give a pause of 2 seconds. So I'm using thread.sleep. So if I give 2000, so it always take time in millisecond. So it will wait 2 seconds, then after it will click on accept button. So it is throwing some interrupted exception. So either you can use try catch or throws. I'm using throws now. So this is our how to handle. So first run this program, then we'll see how to capture the text and how to validate it. And yes, this is indirect approach. Okay, first I'm storing a reference, then I'm accepting. We have one direct approach as well. So wait for 1 more minute, I will show you how to use direct. So let's run this. Right click on your program, go to run as and select test-ng test. Why test-ng test is coming? Because I use annotation test here. So let's wait, take some time to load the browser. So in the console you can see I'm getting one message that running. Internally it runs one XML file, test-ng customize suit XML. My system is slow, so it's taking time. In your machine it will take 15 to 20 seconds only to load a browser. It's opening a browser. It is passing the URL. Now it will click on that button, search services. So this alert comes, it will wait 2 seconds. Now it is accepting. Okay, so now if you go to this console window, you can see it's running successfully and it has accepted. Okay. So this is what I showed using indirect approach. This is the exact which internally works, but you can use direct as well. So let me comment out these 2 lines. You can directly say driver dot switch to dot alert and dot accept. So one more thing, I have one more method called dismiss. So where dismiss can be used, so sometimes you will find some applications where you will get one alert window with 2 buttons. One will be OK and one will be cancel. Take an example of any registration website. So once you fill all the data, you will get 2 options. Do you want to continue, yes or no, or say OK or cancel. So if you say accept, it will select this one, and if you say dismiss, it will select the second option. So depends on your requirement, you can use. Right now I'm getting only one, so I'm using accept. So before accepting, now let's say if I want to capture the text which is coming. Okay, so we have one predefined method called getText. Okay. So what I will do, I will use this getText method to capture the text of the alert window. So it will return me string. So let's see, before accepting, let's capture the text first. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. So you can see get text is a method which is returning me a string. String means it will return the exact message what is displayed. So I will store in a string, let's say actual message, and what I will do, I will try to print. So I'm using sysout. We'll say alert message is actual message. So this is our third step. We are capturing the text. In the last step, we'll see how to validate. So let's say this, and this time we are using this direct approach, and just make this as 5 seconds so that you can see. And let me close the previous windows. So opening a browser, it will maximize, pass the URL, click on that button, it will wait 5 seconds, it is accepted. Okay, so now if you go to console and check whether it has captured the text or not. Yes, it has captured. So the message which is coming, is coming from places required. So this is the alert message coming. It's very easy, only 3 steps. Now let's see finally how to validate that text. So you can see this is our message which is coming. So what I will do, I will store my expected message in a string variable. Let's say my expected message was from place is required, please update the same, and this should come into double quotes. Okay, so now I have this actual message which is coming from application, and consider this is my expected, because right now I don't have any requirement. So as per demo, I'm taking my requirement is this message should come, so I need to validate. For validation, now you need to use assert class of TestRigor. This is one easiest method to validate. TestRigor class we can use, and we can use one method called assert equals. So this assert equals method will simply take 2 arguments, actual and expected. So let me show you directly. Let's type assert. So make sure you are taking the exact assert, because we have assert in JUnit as well, org.test JUnit as well. So I will use this org.testng. This is exact package name, and put dot operator. So you can see you are getting all the methods, and all the static methods. That's why you are able to call using class name. You can see this special symbol s is coming. So what exactly we need to do now? We need to verify 2 strings, actual versus expected. So in my demo, I'm covering string, but in real time you can compare any value. You can see here boolean, byte, character collection, integer, long, every possible combination they have given. So let's try with this one, actual versus expected. So what is the actual? This is our actual. And what is expected? Yeah, this was expected. Okay, so that's all. Let's run this. So currently we have given wrong expected message, so definitely it will fail, and it will fail our test case with a very meaningful message. So let's see, and yes, finally close the browser. So I will say driver.quit. Since this will fail my test case, so the control will never come here. it will not execute my next statement. So how to handle throws, how to handle exceptions, so I will be covering the next video. In this video we are simply checking how to handle alert window only. To click on this, to wait 5 seconds, and you can see it is failing my test case failure. If you maximize it, you can see here it is capturing the alert message and it is failing. And why it is failing, it is saying java.lang assertion error, expected was from places required, please update the same, but actual found this required. I forcefully failed this because I want to show you this how assert works. If you do the same assert dot assert equals, and if you give the actual and expected both are same, it will simply go to the next statement, it will pass this particular step. Okay, so just correct it and make sure it should run. Please try from your end. Please let me know if you are facing an issue. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and if you have any issue you can send out an email to me. I will try to reply as soon as possible. You can visit my blog as well for more details, and my email ID is mukesh.otwani.50@gmail.com. Thank you.